Hello YouTube, Super Star Wars and Super Star Wars Mario 68 here, and I'm gonna react to Buzz Jr.'s Nerf gun by SML.
Well, at least all I gotta do now is just clean. Then I get to go on break.
Wait, who shot that? It was Buzz Jr. originally. You'll explain Nerf gun, and Chef BB thinks it's illegal.
What's that? Oh, Junior, what are you doing? Playing with my new Nerf gun. New Nerf gun? You're not supposed to play with guns. That's dangerous.
Come on, Chef PB. Oh, come on. Nerf guns are not dangerous. But if you hurt someone's eyes, they're not real guns. What's wrong with Chef Beepy? He's a fool.
It's me. I'm sorry I overhit you, Chef Pee-Pee. I'll try again.
This brother Jordan originally hit him in the eye? That's so crazy.
What are you doing? Shooting me? You know what? I'm fed up with this, okay? I'm so done with you. I'm sorry, Chef Pee-Pee. Where are you going? Oh, Charlie, you're my idol.
How is he idol? Oh, he is idol.
Freaking love you.
Oh, Bowser is a big fan of Charlie. That's a green
You
thing.
watch the TV show. You laugh at all his jokes. You can't get enough of him. And now you can see him on the big screen. Hi, I'm Charlie. My socks are holy. Get ready for Charlie and Friends, the movie. Yes! Yes! I gotta see it! I got to! Oh, Bowser, I'm so fed up with your son! Oh, what did he do now? He's been shooting me all night with his stupid Nerf gun! Where did he get it from anyway? Well, I guess he got it earlier today. He kept bothering me. Oh, Dad, what is it doing my Nerf gun? What is Nerf gun? I need to shoot something. So I just said, oh, get out of my face. Here's a 20. Go and get one. Sorry, I guess he got one.
Wait, how did he got one? Did he go to Toys R Us or Target? I haven't even know where he got it from.
So can't you just take it away from him? He's been shooting at me and it hurts. It hurts. Well, sounds like a personal problem to me. You don't have any medical insurance, so I would tell you to duck. Oh, I'm so fed up with you, Bowser. You don't help me at all. Oh, I can't stand Bowser. Oh, he never helps me out. And his stupid son, his son. Oh, he doesn't shoot me. Well, at least I'm almost done cleaning.
I think he's gonna shoot again. Yep, he shoot again.
I'm sorry, Chef Pee-Pee. Look, you stupid piece of manure. I swear to God, if you shoot me one more time, if you shoot me one more time, I'm gonna make you choke on your own stupid gun, okay? It's gonna get stuck in your stomach and you're not gonna ever talk again. Do you got me? I swear, try me.
I swear to God, he shot again. He has no bullets anyways.
I got you now. You're cornered. Who did this? Well. You stepped in the wrong neighborhood, boy. Oh, I can't stand this house. Hey, you want to play Nerf guns? I got a better idea than that. Oh, I can't stand Toad and Junior and their stupid guns. Just shooting me and shooting me and shooting me. Oh, I swear those guns should be illegal.
Of course not, Chef PB. You're stop being retarded. Nerf gun's not legal. It's a toy. Why is Chef PB so like fool? I don't know why he's being mean to Bowser Jr. all the time.
Well, I'm done with the dishes. I think I'm done with all of my cleaning.
Here comes again, shooting again. Funny.
I'm so done with both of you stupid idiots. Okay? I'm gonna go get my own Nerf gun and I'm gonna teach both of you a lesson, okay? Take that, baby. Especially you. I'm done with you. I'm gonna choke you with the freaking Nerf gun. I'm gonna get my own Nerf gun and I'll show them. They're gonna wish they never mess with me.
Từ chị hả? Nhắn hóa đi.
Hey.
Oh yes, I'm so ready now.
Here comes the big gun.
Here it comes. Here it comes, Bowser Jr.
Good pissing me off. Let's go and find them. Toad, should we be worried? Chef Pee Pee thinks he's gonna come back and shoot us.
I ain't worried about Chef Pee Pee. That's man weak.
Okay.
Look, I got my whole camp right here. I'm just gonna lay back and relax.
All right, Toad, I trust you. Are you okay? Okay, not Toad. Toad, talk to me. Talk to me, Toad. Are you okay?
It's been fun working with you.
No, Toad, don't die.
Okay, I got a question. Is Toad dead or never mind.
Best game for life. Oh my God. Chef Pee Pee. You're next, Junior. No. Dad, open the door. Open the door. Chef Pee Pee trying to shoot me. Open the door, Dad. Open the door. Open it. Oh, who did that? Oh, I'm so sorry, Bowser. I really didn't mean to hit you. I was trying to hit your son, you see?
Brother's going to
Yeah.
Chef Pee Pee's in trouble.
I'm in trouble, aren't I? This is not right, Bowser. Bowser. Stop. I'll try again.
Okay, thanks for watching, and this is Super Star Wars Mario 68 signing off.